Hello ladies and gentlemen, 2020 Chevy Traverse, and we are looking at rear tail lights that are located in a hatch. So to get this light out, there are two bolts or pins with so you'll have 10mm nuts as well, or maybe 8mm, as well as there is a little clip. The trick is that in order to get the light out, you need to remove this console with cameras and lights. So to get that out, similar thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts and 2 clips. So you remove this and then you're able to pull the light out. The reason for that is there is this thing that is hidden by this panel. So basically, when you slide your light in, you will see that it will get attached by this clip. So when you remove it, you remove your bolts and then you need to push the clip out to get it out. In terms of lights, there's only one connector that you need to worry about, and then basically same approach on this end. So we will attach put those nuts on, and then we'll put that assembly on. Right, so this console, I just got it in. A few things to note. So there are 2 rubber grommets depending on the trim. So this is like for lights and camera, and this is for windshield washer fluid and something else, probably another camera, not probably but actually another camera. So you will need to disconnect that if you remove it completely. To be quite honest, to get the lights off, it would be enough just to get it loose and you can keep the hoses on. And then, as I mentioned, we'll just go and put all those bolts back in, and then there will be this big plastic panel. I'll show you how to get that on. So let's take a quick look on this rear hatch panel. So you will see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, roughly 20 different clips all the way around. And there is one screw that is in this kind of handle. So if you're removing it, you'll need to remove the screw. And then there is a plug for the button for the tailgate. So that's it, one screw and tons of clips. So if you're removing it, just pull it and it will be off. Right, so the panel is installed. So last thing is that one screw that goes in there, and then there's a little cover that goes on top, just like that. So we'll do a quick test of our button. Seems like it is working. So all the lights are good in place. Takes a while. So to quickly recap, you will need to remove the plastic cover from the hatch from the inside. Then you remove this by removing bolts as well as 2 clips. You don't need to pull it out, you don't need to disconnect it from wiring. It's enough to just get it hanging over here. And after that, you remove the light, two bolts on each. Take a clip, pull it out, and then pull it out from this side. Like this side has kind of like a hook, so it's grabbing the hatch on the side. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself. Take care.